Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican rice and peas. Here are the ingredients you're gonna need: coconut, a double all-purpose seasoning, salt, butter, whole spice, soya sauce, garlic powder, my everyday seasoning, Maggi seasoning, rice. I'm using brown rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. Your red peas. And over here I have my chopped scallion, otherwise known as green onion, thyme, ginger, bay leaf, scotchbonnet pepper, celery, onion, and garlic. Now I'm going to show you how to put this simple and easy dish together. Here I'm just putting my peas. And guys, you can put the water in it first. There's no better way to do it. Then I'm gonna put my garlic, my chopped garlic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. I'm putting like 2 cups of water. Then I'm gonna cover my pot, like 2 cups of water, cover my pot. Then I'm gonna turn on the stove. Now here's my coconut in the sink. Okay guys, so after you put your coconut, you can go ahead coconut in small pieces. Then you're gonna pour your coconut milk. So discard this part. Now here is your coconut milk. That's what it should look like. Here I'm showing you your coconut milk. Okay guys, here's my rice and peas. Look at that guys. Look at that guys. Oh God, look at that. Look at that guys. Oh, look at that rice and peas guys. Look at that Jamaican rice and peas guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.